Hello everyone, this is Divya Balindra. I heartily welcome to you in my YouTube channel. So, in this video, we are going to discuss about the topic of Dr. Samuel Johnson as the English poet. So, this is a part of our Virtual Teachers Day celebrations at Maharaja Krishna Kumar Siji Bhavnagar University Department of English. So, let's begin with the introductions. First of all, we can see here the table of contents like point, introduction, early life in education, career and early life as English poet, major work and contribution, and later life and death. Introduction is divided in two parts. Like first is brief overview. Dr. Samuel Johnson was a prominent 18th century writer known for his contribution to literatures including poetry, essay and lexicography. Second point is key points. His impact on English literature and his role as an English poet. So, now we turn on detail about early life and education of Johnson's. Samuel Johnson was born on 18 September 1709 in Lichfield, Staffordshire, England. His father was Michael Johnson, a bookseller, and his mother was Sarah Ford Johnson. Samuel Johnson was attended Lichfield Grammar School and in 1728 he entered Oxford University but has not finished. In 1735, Johnson married to Mrs. Porter. Moving further, we see the topic of career and role as English poet. Here first we see early works. Dr. Samuel Johnson began writings and published poetry in the 17th-13th century and later notable poems like mention works like in his early life. First, his famous poem London 1738, a satirical poem about the cities, societies and politics. The poem is known for writing. Second poem is The Vanity of Human Wishes 1749. A moral poem reflecting on human ambition and desires. Other works briefly mentions other poems and literary contribution. So, after discussing point, career and role as English poet, so now we are moving further on point, major work and contribution. Dr. Samuel Johnson, known for his writing on literature, the premier English literary figure of the mid and late 18th century, was a writer of exceptional range, a poet and lexicographer, a journalist and essayist. Johnson believes that it is, however, by the music of matter that poetry has been discriminated in all languages. Johnson's early translations and his Latin verse reflect two poetic modes that he would pursue for the rest of his life. So, here we can see the picture of the Dictionary of the English Language written by Samuel Johnson, and his famous and notable work is Lives of the English Poets, published in 1779 to 1801, is a seminal work of literary criticism and biography. This collection of essays offers insightful and often controversial appreciation of 52 English poets, primarily from the 18th century. Characteristic of the work like biographical accounts, critical analysis, moral and philosophically contemporary influence on literary criticism. So, this is all about the information of major work and contribution of Samuel Johnson. So, now we discuss on later life and death. Like later life, Samuel Johnson's life and death were marked by a decline in health and a growing reputation as a literary giant. The publication of his dictionary, this work solidified his groundbreaking work as a scholar and lexicographer, and his death. He died on 13 December 1784 and he buried in Westminster Abbey. And his legacy, like Samuel Johnson's legacy, is missions and his dictionary remains a controversial of English lexicography, and his writing continued to be studied and admired. His wit, wisdom, and moral philosophy have had profound impact on English literature and culture. Uh, last but not least, conclusion. Throughout this all information on Johnson's, we can see for his work and his life, he was a great poet and playwright, and also a literary critic. Johnson's writing style is a very vigorous and direct, is too heavy and learned that of his writing called as Johnson's. So, all information of English poet Samuel Johnson. So I heartily thank you. I appreciate your patience for watch full video and we near towards the end. So thank you again. As Samuel Johnson once said, poetry is a art of untying pleasure with truth. Your presence today has made this event a delightful blend of both. A poet is a man who speaks out of his own experience, and we all learn from the experience of others. Your insight and engagement have enriched our understanding and appreciation of poetry. Do not forget. Do not forget to check out the description box after watching full video for a link to an online quiz. Please complete it and you will earn and get a special certificate. So thank you.